In this video, I will show you how to make this crochet headband with bow for your doll. And if you want to make also this dress, I made it in my previous video. I will leave you the link down below. Let's get started. To make this headband, you will need lace cotton yarn. I'm using Maximum from Opus. This is 565 meters in 100 grams. Check also the description box for other yarn options. 2 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, needle, and hair elastic. Mine has about 1 inch, so 2.5 centimeters of diameter. We will start working all over our elastic. So make a slip knot. Okay, take your elastic, insert your hook into the elastic. Okay, so put it just on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. Okay, put it like this. Put your finger here to block this short tail and just make a chain. So your elastic stayed inside the yarn. Now, insert your hook into the elastic again. Grab your yarn and make your first single crochet. Put the elastic on the hook, maybe like this will sound better. Grab your yarn and make a single crochet. And just keep working like this all over. You don't have to count stitches. It will be, in my case, between 35 and 40. But it doesn't matter. Just keep working all over until you come to the end. So I worked all over this elastic band. For sure I made more than 40 stitches, but it doesn't matter. I will not count it. And in the end, I will just make a slip stitch into my first single crochet, chain one, and cut the yarn. So this is how we prepared the base, the headband, and now we will make a bow. Now let's make a bow. So make a slip knot. And first we will make a chain, so chain 21. Here we go, my chain of 21. And now starting from the second chain from the hook, we will work. First, one single crochet. Then in the next stitch, half double crochet. So pull through all three. In the next one, double crochet. In the next one, half double crochet. And in the next one, single crochet. This is what we have. And now in the next 10 stitches, we'll work slip stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we still have here 5 stitches left. And we will work exactly like in the beginning. So in this next stitch, we'll work single crochet. In the next one, half double crochet. In the next one, double crochet. In the next one, half double crochet. And in the last one, single crochet. Okay, this is what we have right now. We'll chain 2. And from this moment, we will work on the opposite side of this chain. So in the same place where we made a single crochet, we'll make another single crochet. So here. Now in the next place, we'll make a half double crochet. In the next one, double crochet. So we work exactly like a mirror. Okay. In the next one, half double crochet. And in the next one, single crochet. Okay, so this is what I have. Now I will work my 10 slip stitches. I will take this a little bit on the side. Okay, so here we'll work our slip stitch number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And still we have to finish with this sequence of single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and in the end we have a single crochet, chain 2, and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet you've made. So this chain of 2 we will just make on the top of 2 ends. Okay, now I will just chain 1 and cut my yarn. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now weave in the ends of this part and this part, and we will join them together. And now take your elastic band, take your bow, and you will just make a knot. Just a simple knot. Okay. You can replace a little bit these pieces, and that's it. Your new headband with bow for your doll is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls, and see you next time.